you this fine day, Pepe? I'm doing great. I had a great day. Good breakfast. And what did you have for breakfast today? Oh, my mom made eggs and sausage, and I had chocolate milk. Oh, that sounds yummy. So you're not hungry, huh? Oh no. I'm ready to go. Got lots of food in my tummy. Well, that's good. Tell you what, how about today if we count by threes and just do some of the things from the back wall, okay? And give me some numbers. We'll do half. Oh, okay. Okay, everybody ready? Stand up, please. Well, just stand up to count, okay? And then you can sit down. Okay, here we go. Everybody stand up. Okay, by the threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 39, 36, 33, 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, and 0. Okay, you can sit down now. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Dario, how many inches in a foot? 12. Alessandro, how many inches in a yard? 36. Saudi, how many feet in a yard? 3. Steffi, how many... Steffi, how many things in half a dozen? 12. No, 6. Allison, how many pints are in a cup? 12. Lizelle, how many minutes are in half an hour? 30. Roberto, how many days in a year? 365. And let's see. Alessandro. Oh, no. We did you already. Roberto, how many quarts in a gallon? 4. Joshua, how many centimeters in a meter? 100. Abby, how many ounces in a pound? 16. Alexandra, what month only has 28 days? February. Okay, everybody with me. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 20. No. I need to concentrate. Okay, start again. 30 days have September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except February that has 28. Okay, better do that again. 30 days hath September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except February has 28. And in leap year has 29. Okay, it's Evan's turn. Evan, what is 1/2 of 18? None. Samuel, what is 1/2 of 14? 7. Daniela, what is 1/2 of 10? 24? 12. Nylea, what is 1/2 of 20? 10. Good job. See you tomorrow. Adios. Okay. The paper we need for today is 237 and 238, and I have to go catch the phone. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So this is the page we need, 237, 238, right? Alrighty. Top part, easy, right? Smallest number to biggest number. Your money here, okay? We have 3 25s, right? And you know how to count by 25. 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, right? Okay. So that much. We have 2 10s, that much. And we're going to add them together. When you add, make sure you line them up nice and straight, right? Yes. Okay. Down here, you can do this. Okay. This part here. Some of you are still struggling with this, and I don't know why. And I went to get my book, and I got distracted. Be right back, okay? Okay, I'm back. Okay, over here, it says, our first number is what? Who can tell me what this number is? 132, right? 132. So if I take lempiras, 100 plus 30, 10, 20, 30, 100 plus 30 plus 2. 132, right? Okay, so here we go. 132. How many 100s do I have? That's what it says. How many hundreds are here? How many of these? How many pieces of paper? 1, right? 1 piece of paper. How many 10s do we have? 1, 2, we would have 3 10s, right? 3 10s. And how many 1s? How many 1s? That's a 1, that's a 1. How many lempiras? We have 2 1s, right? So we have 100. Who is this guy? Who is he? What is his name? Jose. It's written too small for me. Looks like Jose Celio del Valle. Anyway, another Jose. This guy here is Junio. No, that's not his name. His name is Cabañas, right? What's his first? Is that Jose too? He's Jose, isn't he? Cabañas. Okay. So this is a Jose de Valle. This is Cabañas, right? He's Jose. Okay, so we got, anyway, our 100s, our 10s, our 1s, right? Okay, if we put it here, right? Our number is 132. How many hundreds? How many of them? 1. These are 10s. 30, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many 10s? 3. How many 1s? 2. Right? This is not hard. But what do you need to do? What do you need to do? We need to turn on our brain and think about it, right? Some of you guys are not turning on your brain. Yes, Miss Susan. Okay. How many hundreds? This is 132, right? How many hundreds do we have? How many hundreds? 100. How many tens? 10, 20, 30. How many of our tens? 3. How many ones? 2. Okay, so do the same thing when you get over here. Okay, our number's 102. How many hundreds is that? Okay, the next one, our number is 54. How many ones? The next number here, what is that number? 179. Okay? And it says how many tens? How many tens? And the last one is 157. How many ones? Okay, now, when I look at the screen sometimes, have you noticed I go like this? Does that look really weird? Does that look funny? Okay, I have to do that because my glasses are called bifocals. And there are two different lenses there. You can see the line across there? Okay? This, I read from this down here, and this part here is where I look at you. Okay? The man on the $100 bill in America, Benjamin Franklin, invented these, okay, about 300 years ago. Yes. Okay? But, so when I'm trying to read the paper, I have to read up here, so I have to go like this to read it, okay? So I can read through the bottom. And I can remember when my dad would do that, and I would think that looks really, really strange. And now guess what? I have to do the same thing. So when I'm teaching, if I'm going up like this, and you have to look up my nose, I'm sorry you have to look up my nose, but that's the only way I can see to read, okay? So I'll keep my nose clean, okay? So you don't have to look up my nose, okay? That's why I have to do that, because I can only see down the bottom, okay? So those are numbers. Okay, other side. What do we have? We have clocks here, right? And it says, two things you have to do. They're missing some numbers. Put in the missing numbers and see if you can get them where they belong on the clock. Don't just write them around. Put them at the right spot and put the hands on, okay? Put the numbers and the hands, okay? Down here it says circle the even numbers, okay? Do you remember? What are our even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? And remember, you always look at the last number. So, when we count, if our number is 4, that's an even number, right? But what if our number is 14? Is it still an even number? Yes, it is, because if this number is even, that means we can divide the number by 2. What's half of 4? 2, right? What's half of 14? Half of 14 is 7, right? It doesn't matter what this number is. 54, still even. 84, still even. 94, still even. 794, it doesn't matter what any of the numbers are. If this number here is even, your number is even. So, back to our paper. Okay, it says circle the even numbers. This number is 58, okay? We want the whole number, okay? And 58 is even. Okay, what's this number? 125. Is that number even or odd? What's the 5? Is 5 an even number or odd number? It's an odd number. So are you going to circle this 2 in there? Do not circle the 2. No. We only want the last number. So you look at that last number. That is not an even number. Okay, how about 16? Is 16 an even number? Look at the last number. Is 6 even? Right. What is half of 16? Half of 16 is 8, right? Half of 16 is 8, so that's an even number, okay? So you circle the whole 16, not just the 6, but the whole 16. That one's easy, you can do that. Okay, this number is 323, right? 323. Now, is that number even or odd? 3, is that an even number or odd number? 3 is an odd number, isn't it? But don't circle the 2 in the middle. No, we want the whole number. 323. Is 323 an even number? If it is, then circle that. But if it is not, okay? Okay, down here, this is the easy part. We have 10, 7, 3. What goes in there? Más o menos. We have a 5, and a 10. What goes in there? Más o menos. Do that for all those, right? You can do this easy sneezy here. Okay, directions for the last part. Okay, it says mark the circle of all, A-L-L. That means there's more than one maybe. All the squares that are divided into half. Okay, which one of these squares are divided into half? All of them have two parts, but in half, both sides have to be the same, right? They have to be the same size. So mark all the squares that are divided into half. And that's our lesson for today, okay? Alrighty, have a happy Friday. Make sure today is Friday. Okay, since today is Friday, on the back of your verse paper is a speed drill. Are you listening? On the back of your verse is a speed drill. It says exam, week 23, exam, okay? 1 minute for each side, okay? Take that. Boom! 1 minute for both sides, and then stop. Stop at 1 minute. Do not put any more on there, okay? Have your mama take a photo of both sides for me, okay? 1 minute, only 1 minute, no mas, okay? But make sure that stays there and it comes back to me, okay? 1 minute and only 1 minute, not 1 minute and 5 seconds. And when she says stop, you stop and you don't write anything more, okay? Thank you very much. But we're going to do that every week now on Fridays. So I'll try to remember to tell you, try to remind you, okay? Make sure you take that, okay? See you in math class on Monday.